Hi everyone, guys, I'm getting this limited editions from Chanel color code, and when I got an email from them, I checked that. I said I'll wait for the next day to purchase this because it was late when we got home when I read the email. And then the next day in the morning, most of the items are sold out, so I'm lucky that I scored this one. So yeah, let's open that what color or item that I got. Let's see guys, this is so I asked for this as well. This one guys, you can use this one, put all your clothes. So there it is. And I asked for a sample. Every time it has sample, I want to try this sublimate cream and also this serum over here from #1. And the item that I finally not out of stock is only this one. The brush guys, it's sold out very quickly. Just only like a day. I think it's only 24 hours is all sold out, all the brushes, and even some of the color of this mirror. And lucky that it has this one left for this one. And I picked this 121 Premier Dame. And it's nice, it comes with this pouch. Ta-da! This is the color that I get. It's like more orangey. I wish I did order right away the brushes, because I prefer the purple or the yellow because it's more bright, and this one is more like orange, and also this is my other choices as well, and just remind me of a Hermes color. I'm glad I don't have this yet. If I do have this one in black, I don't think I will get this one. I'm glad that I waited for this. I don't want to open guys because it's like it's two mirrors. It's weird though. I don't know if a cheap one. Oh my god, this thing is gonna broke. It's when you open it's hard, and I don't think it's worth for this one. It's I paid $45 for this. Yeah, I know it's Chanel and the color is pretty, but the packaging itself sounds like cheap, and I'm worried about like I break this part over here when I open it. I don't know if you can hear the sounds guys. It's kind of weird, and I was worried about it's gonna be broke soon. And it's really cheap material to use for. I'm not sure in the black one. I don't have a black, but this one it's more like very obvious cheap plastic. Oh my god. Yeah, and I can tell the snap over here, it just barely close. I mean attached together. That's why maybe it's hard to open it. I was worried about, but anyway guys, it's still cute. But anyway, I guess Chanel's people think like, oh, let's do this. And then yeah, good thing I didn't get the brush, because the brush is $160, and good thing also that it was sold out. So yeah, I just want to keep this one and to have a souvenir because this is limited edition. So anyway guys, that's it for today. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.